Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about identifier in programming language. Hi, I'm Tanvir from Online Code Beat. I'll talk about this topic after the intro. Before starting the intro, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you already did, many thanks. Now let's start the intro. Hey, welcome back after the intro. Now let's talk about the main topics, and it is about the identifier. An identifier is one kind of unique kind of name that is given to an entities like such as like variables, functions, structure and etc. This kind of name must be unique because they are created to give a unique name to the entities that I have mentioned little while ago to identify them in during the execution of the program. The rule of identifier. There are four kind of rule. First rule is says that you have to write, if you want to write a valid identifier, you need to write it must be written in letter. You can write it in both the uppercase and lowercase letter, digit and underscores. The second rule says that the first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. You cannot use the third rule or says that you cannot use keywords like int, while, boolean, etc. as identifier because they are called an keyword. The fourth and last rule says that there is no rule on how long an identifier can be used. However, we may face some problem in some compiler if the identifier is longer than 31 character. That is all for this video. If you liked it, please share and like my video. Hope to see you next time. See ya.